In today's video, we'll learn how to create a kill brick in Roblox Studio. I'll quickly create a red neon part to represent the kill brick, and then we can start coding. After creating the kill brick, I'll add a script to it and name it kill script. First, I define the part variable as the parent of the script. The next step is to create a function, which I name touch. This function takes hit as a parameter, representing the part that makes contact with our kill brick. After that, I create the humanoid variable, which may or may not be present in the parent of the hit, the touch part. To account for this, I use find first child. If the humanoid isn't found in the parent of the hit, the script just returns, meaning it won't continue to the next lines of code. Now that we know the humanoid exists, we can check if its health is greater than 0. If it is, we set the health to 0. The last step is to run the touch function whenever the part gets touched. Now let's see if this works. It works flawlessly, instant kill. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you won't miss out on other relevant content.